Hi guys, Fred Zink here from the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenter. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Heartland Torque, model number 396. Come on inside, let me show you this nice toy hauler. So when you come back into the garage, you got two bunks. The lower one is a side-by-side dinette. Your ramp goes down, makes into a patio with a gate that goes all the way around, and there's a separate steps to get down on here. You got washer and dryer hookups. This unit has two bathrooms, full shower, and then you also have storage for helmets, gloves, riding gear. Come on in, let me show you the living room. A lot of natural daylight in this unit. You got 6 reclining chairs. Above you got an additional bunk. Get probably 2, maybe 3 little ones in there. You got a nice Corian one-piece countertop, dual sink, storage, a nice large pantry, plenty of drawers and storage underneath the sink. You got your microwave, got the hood combo with a 3-burner stove and an oven, nice double door fridge for when you're going to go off the grid for a while. You got plenty of space for your food. You got a nice 65-inch LCD TV. You got your stereo, your power pack, and then you just got storage for DVDs. And then you got a nice closet with a little more storage up there. Come on back, I'm going to show you this wardrobe. Plenty of room for coats, riding jackets, boots. Come on in the bathroom, you got Jack and Jill doors. You got a nice sink, vanity with drawers, plenty of storage, nice medicine cabinet, oversized shower. Come on into the bedroom. You got a nice king-size bed. You got storage above the bed, a little bit of storage for books. You got lights underneath the overhead. And then on this side you have a 3-drawer, full extending drawers. You got more wardrobe, 2 drawers, full extension drawers. Nice little workstation, couple more drawers. Come on outside, I want to show you the rest of this toy hauler. This unit right here, you got a nice power awning with LED lighting. You got your outside speakers. Again, an exit and an entrance into your garage. You have a full pass-through. You got your auto leveling system right here, easy to get to. You got a 7.5 gallon propane tank. Underneath the cab, you got a Cummins Onan 5500 watt generator. You have another 7.5 gallon propane tank and the rest of your pass-through. Guys, if you want more information on this Heartland Torque 396, give me a call. My name's Fred Zint. My number's 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.